Hey guys, my name is MJ Pikachu. Welcome back to another video. So, I'm not gonna just gonna make a short video. Look at this.
No manches, we're not receiving.
Look at this. This is freaking hell. Like ice, dude. Look at that. In California. There's even a bucket. Right there. All of this is all ice. All of this.
Yeah.
¿Estás grabando?
Look, check my hand. There's ice, a little ice in there. Hot hell. But if there's big ones, it wouldn't be like window would have broken. That window wouldn't have broken right now. Yeah.
Yeah. Ahí.
There's even more. There's even more in this. There's even more. There's even more ice. There's hit and miss in the grass.
No manches, ¿y princess? Princess.
The car is water. Everything is ice. Look at that.
Even our garden.
It doesn't even look like a garden.
Yeah, but even like, no.
Did you miss? We supposed to go to school today. My dad said no because it's gonna rain.
Well, good thing we didn't go to school.
I know. We didn't even went to school. And look at this. If we're in school, oh my god.
You know, if you look actually.
If we were in school, boy, we would have been. I know.
Alexia.
We would have been home. So
I don't know how the school will be.
yeah.
I think.
This is legit raining. So when it rains more
Good
out.
thing we didn't go to school.
Alright. I'm gonna end the video. I just want to show you guys there's hell in this area, California. Fall town. Yeah. So see you guys later.